girl, honey bunny. They will not like you. Good girl. You're a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Good girl, Lulu. Good girl. Just stand. Don't move. Ho ho. Good girl. Don't move. Good girl. Good girl. You're so smart. Good girl, honey bunny. Good girl. Good job. You're so smart. You're smart, smart. You're smart. Stand, stand. Stand, stand. Ho ho. Don't move. Good girl.
Anna, tell everybody why you're talking to her so much.
So she stays relaxed and knows she's good.
And because, also, didn't she hop around a lot before? Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, this is a good girl.
So I think her last visit with you, Nick, was reassuring.
I think she just had a really bad
I think
experience.
So. I think so too, because now she goes, oh, it's Nick, and Nick never did anything that caused me distress.
This is a good girl. 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 Good girl.
I'm going to have to pull this toenail out, try to get it above that line. You can. I'm trying to.
Well, you're going to step up, honey.
That's better. Oh, above that line.
And she was like, oh, but I don't have a trailer to trailer over.
What's her name?
Gosh, Nick, you made that look easy.
Yeah, practice. Lots of practice.
Huh. You want to do some little girl's work?
One of the nails broke off, so pull that out.
Why does my horse let me do this? Why are you smarter than my horse? Why are you mine? What? Because he's going to be a lake and you're not. How's your little girl? Are you a little girl? Oh, bad girl. You should make her a pony farm, Dan.
How do her feet look to you?
Good. That other one, I mean, still has to grow some more to get beyond that damaged portion.
Mm-hmm.
The dog.
Howie, out of the way.
Hey, Abby.
Dog. Go. Why do you make life so hard? There's a camera. Run away. Ready to the barn, Abby? Come on now. Can't hold it. Because I'm pretty.
Here you are.
Lorelai. Come on. Stand up.
Don't be such a bad horse. Look, now you have him working in like super speed. Girl, hold up. Don't move forward though. Stop it.
She's actually putting enough weight on the hoof stand to put it into the ground.
There you go. All done.
Look at these hind feet.
Almost all done. Look at the mud.
That's actually packing, or what's left of it.
Yeah, there are some drawbacks to having a pad, huh?
There are. But there are a lot of benefits.
Right,
When you
right.
have a low heel.
Right, and this horse would not do as well without a pad.
We may find out, because I may not put that type of pad back on today. We have too much mud. I don't always recommend trimming out dead sole with nippers, but there's just a whole bunch of it
Big
right
old
here.
dead sole. Wow, that is a lot of dead sole, isn't it?
Yeah, and I just don't think my knife would have gotten through it. This foot's actually a lot better shape, believe it or not, than the other.
Huh. Now, how do you explain the difference?
I don't. I don't know why. It just is. So now that all that heavy dead sole's up, the knife should cut through it.
How do her feet seem to you?
Good. Long, but good.
Good. Well, not good for the long part.
No, but
Long's better than short?
yeah. Sometimes. I'll work this foot first. And we'll do the other one.
Her heel's really big.
Yeah. Won't be in a minute.
Now it's gone.
She's very flat foot.
Yeah, and she had that tendon issue.
Yeah.
Which you can still see the scarring on the back of her tendon from like all the treatments, because
Yeah.
she'd have this and that and wrap and this ointment and that salve and then a cold hose and everything else. So it left a little scar tissue, I think, just from the treatment.
So let's see what we can do with this foot. There's a little nail right there that's broken
yeah.
off.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's so far out of the way, I don't think I'm going to do anything right now on it. I think it'll come off when I'm clinching.
And that's how you get dirty. Dusty is such a good girl. I just found out that Roy Rogers' son's name is Dusty.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I know. I knew it was a masculine name.
It's not an issue.
Excellent.
She may be a little sore for a day or so without the pads on, but I think she needs to have them off now.
Okay.
I think they're causing a little too much crud to get packed underneath. And I don't see a shortage of mud in our future.
No, there's a lot of mud out there.
Sliding off. Still sliding off. You are in a very peculiar...
I know, I was looking at that too.
Right here works good for me. Hey, you want to stretch? Okay, sit it down for a second. Twist a little bit. Well, that front I'm really happy with.
Nick coming?
No,
Alright.
not today.
Oh, good.
Tomorrow's another day.
Well, I mean, you have to force down turkey.
Yeah.
Raw turkey.
Probably.
Let's see.
I don't think Dusty worries about it too much.
I know. I was going to ask you if you were worried, Dusty, but yeah, I can see you're not.
I think we're going to be just fine.
I think so too.
Moving a lot better up front without long toes.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a little sore on that right front, but not bad. Look, the first time she hasn't had full pads on in, what, well over a year?
Oh yeah, at least.
So I wouldn't worry about that. She should toughen up. If you want to put something like Caratex on the soles or Venice turpentine to help toughen them up.